So we're going to show you how to fix the boiler to the stand and how to put the blow-off tap valve in, which will need to be done upon delivery, because we can't put the valve on and get it in the box, so it has to be done by the customer. So this box connects to this unit by 4 bolts. These 4 bolts that will go into those 4 holes through corresponding holes in the stand. These 4 holes here. Now that is your blow-off point there. So that has to go down through this hole, and you just have to put that through there like that. And then install your 4 bolts from the inside upwards. This cover comes off with 2 screws, these 2 screws, so you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a suitable spanner for those 4 bolts. So with that in place, you will come to it like that. So here is the end of the blow-off valve. You'll need this unit, which you will screw into there and screw that right up, making sure that that is vertical so that you can move the tap, making sure that tap is closed. And then this pipe that comes in the box will screw to there, and this hose needs to go into a suitable container for blowing down your boiler. So if you find something that is watertight with a screw top, you can drill a hole in the top of the screw top, pop the pipe through, put a Jubilee clip on both sides to stop it coming out, and then you can use that as a blowdown vessel, which is quite important. Blowdown is done by turning off the element, which is the left green switch on the front, and opening the valve on the iron to reduce the steam pressure down to 1/2 bar, and then turn off the boiler completely and open this valve slowly until, and then it'll be quite loud, making sure this is tight because you don't want water spraying out here. Make sure that's tight, but not too tight that it destroys this rubber seal and it blows down into the vessel, and you need to do that at least once a week. The press also has casters, which again I can't put on at this point because it needs to go back in its box. So those just push up into a corresponding hole on each corner, and then the caster itself just pushes onto there. So they screw into the caster, into the corners like that, and then the pin that's sticking out goes into the caster on all 4 corners. Probably best done before you put the boiler on.